Hey guys, so this video is more to explain that the frustrating but necessary way to go through these flashcards in the companion document, which we've made and which we've shared with you, which has all these real SAT and ACT questions that you can do that are testing the exact concept that's on the flashcard. You have to, here's the key point, you have to go slowly. You know when you're reading an explanation to a math question, it's boring, it's abstract, but if you move quickly through it, or even at a normal speed, you will have moved too quickly to really absorb it. You have to go slowly. Every sentence on the flashcard, on the explanations in the companion document that we give you, in the step-by-step solutions, each line of the step-by-step solutions, read it one by one. Make sure you understand every part of what that sentence says on the flashcard or the explanation, or what we did in that line of the solution. Don't skip past one if you don't totally get what we did in it. And it ends up being so much slower than you want it to be, but there's no choice. It's the only way you actually learn it. And then if you do come across things in the solutions or the explanations that you don't understand, you can reach out to us, work with us one-on-one. You can join us on our free Zoom calls where we go over math questions together. And you can, reach out to a friend who's really good at math, or maybe you've got an outside math tutor who you work with, or go to your math tutors, your math teacher in school, go to their office hours, and ask them about any little line you don't fully understand what was done on this flashcard or the explanation of the companion document. This is how real learning works. It's like brick upon brick upon brick upon brick. You're building a cathedral of math expertise and knowledge. And if you've missed some bricks, or they were put in a sloppy way, you're not gonna have a cathedral of math knowledge. It's gonna be shaky, and there's gonna be stuff later on, you're just gonna miss it because you don't have the foundation underneath you. So line by line, sentence by sentence, go slowly in the explanations in the math flashcards, in the explanations in the companion document, and in the line by line solutions in the companion document. And get help in getting your questions answered so that you can understand exactly what we're doing step by step. And this really, over months of practicing and studying and learning this way, reading this way, this is how your math score is gonna go way up. It takes way more patience than you would guess.